Hello guys, so what's up, back again with a new video of making RC car. And in this video first we will make a gearbox and then we will make a proper RC car chassis. So as you can see, this is a PVC pipe and 7200 kV brushless motor. As you know, we shifted to toy grade to 110 scale RC. So now we are making a gearbox by using some metal gears, brushless motor, and this is a piece of paper I just rolled and put some super glue on it. And you need to cut a PVC pipe plastic like that and just follow my steps. So here I already put super glue, but there is a plastic tube on it, and I put super glue also on that because I realized that plastic tube plus super glue is super strong. Because of the rubber tube and super glue, the motor was not moving, and it's like moving so fast as I expected, and it's super strong. It's not easily come break because of the rubber tube. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and like my video. And this is the old RC car which I made last year. I just took that and just upgrade the servo. If you want to watch the making video of the steering system, I will put the link in descriptions. And as you can see, it looks so nice. I just add the gearbox in the back and in the front servo. If you want to see the proper video making steering system of this RC car, you can watch in link description. So after making the chassis, I already installed ESC receiver, and there is a battery of 7.2 volt and it's 8000 mAh, so it's long battery timing. And let's start and test it how it will work. If you like my video and the idea that how I created my own RC drift car, you can click the thumbs up button in the down, and if you want to watch some more crazy videos like that, you can hit the subscribe button also. So don't forget to subscribe and enjoy my videos. And goodbye, see you in the next video.